Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Stay organized and stylish in 2024 with trendy entry storage cabinets that keep your welcome area neat and inviting. These cabinets are not just practical, they are also designed for blending seamlessly with modern and traditional decor styles alike. Discover options from sleek floating cabinets that save to rustic wooden units with opening shelving for a casual yet organized look. Each cabinet can be personalized with decorative essence such as plants, candles, or a small artwork, adding character to your entryway. These guides explore a storage solution for shoes, keys, bags, and other essentials, ensuring everything has its place. You will also find ideas for incorporating color, textures, and lighting to make your entryway feel both functional and inviting. Whether you have a compact hallway or a spacious foyer, these 1024 storage ideas combines organizing with style, creating a welcoming space that leaves a positive first impression. Thanks for watching. Must follow, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.